So during these uncertain times, I like to do a couple of different things to make sure that I'm spending time with God and therefore nurturing my mental, my emotional, and my spiritual health. Well, first, as a musician, of course, I like to make a joyful noise unto the Lord. Now, although I don't have a trumpet or cornet, I do have a guitar, I have a synthesizer, and I have software to help me be able to write new music. And I think writing also keeps me sane, it keeps me grounded, because it gives me time to reflect and really to be purposeful in that which I wish to express. I also spend a lot of time writing essays in a journal, blog entries, and that sort of thing. And I like to reflect on how we can use this time to specifically learn, to grow, and to pivot perhaps our spirituality, or even just how we approach basic things in our lives in order to develop a greater sense of compassion and of gratitude. Now, as an Asian American, there's been this unprecedented rise in anti-Asian racism that I've experienced personally, and many of my family members and friends have also had to endure this as well. And I think that behind those thoughts of hate, there's really a story of pain. So I try and figure out, how can I respond in a way that is compassionate? How can I respond in a way that reflects my own faith, my trust in God, and in these values that I like to practice? And so I try and find ways to be grateful even in the midst of those moments as well. And also to find opportunities to engage in discussions to reveal why people are saying or doing hateful things, why they are trying to hurt other people, and how perhaps we can engage in a conversation that leads both of us to a sense of healing. And that kind of leads to my final one, and that is a practice of gratitude. I know things are tough, but what I like to do is every single day when I wake up, I try and think of at least 3 things that I'm grateful for. And I make a rule. I cannot make it generic. I want to be as specific as possible, and I can't repeat the same 3 things that I said the day before. And so it really forces me to think deeply about why I'm here and why I'm grateful for the things that I have, the things that I am currently experiencing, even in the midst of the pain and the uncertainty. There's a lot of joy, and certainly joy, as I said before, that is worth making a noise about. So thank you so much.